What's going on? What's going on? Lurik O'Shea here, music creator, educator, and entrepreneur. And I'm back with you, another video in Motion 5. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize and tweak your colors a little bit more in Motion 5. Now, if you don't want a gradient, but you want solid colors, you can uncheck the box that says gradient, then go down to original line, and check the box that says original line, and that'll bring back our original color, which was white. And we can come in here and start changing the colors right here. All right, so we have shape outline right now. The color is white. I'm going to make this color red. All right, so I clicked on the eyedropper tool. That's the color I want. There we go. All right, now what I want to do, I want to come back over to properties. I want to add a new drop shadow. All right, and I want this to be like yellow. All right, so we can see that coming in a little bit. All right, the opacity, I don't want that. And the blur, I'm going to turn the blur up a little bit more. So you can kind of see what's going on behind it.